Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from LG to REALME X50 5G. Start by opening Play Store and installing app called CloneIt. Then open it on both devices. Click Allow and Agree. Choose Sender on LG to send your files and allow access to location. Then Receiver on REALME and allow location as well. Tap Search again and click on available device, which will be LG. You have two ways to connect. You can scan QR code or input password. I will tap to scan and accept connection request. Normally, you have to tap Allow those orders to choose all of your files, but I don't want to do that because it takes a lot of time, so I will click here to choose details, go with music, and choose one song, for example Johnny Bravo, and maybe League of Legends. Then click Start, OK, and finish. Now when I go into folder files, I can see that my songs was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!